Hi everyone, late afternoon on a Thursday, 27th of May. Cryptos, quick look here. Is what watching paint dry the last 2 days. That's why for 2 days now I haven't made any videos because last time I spoke to you we were up here and I was waiting for it to do a little bit of dip more, go up to there and then see what it's doing. As you can see, it's just going slightly up and mostly sideways, so nothing has happened. While it's doing this, I started noticing one thing though. I've added this dark line right there. Now, that is bad news for the Bulls. What I'm seeing right now is I've still got that same scenario where I need this to go up to 46 and break it. Guys, if it cannot break 46, I keep repeating myself. That's a low of wave A previously. If it cannot break through that, we are not bullish yet. We have to then, sorry to tell you, assume a new low is going to happen. And that's just from my technical analysis, okay? Obviously, anything can happen. This is the crypto market, and this is not financial advice. But anyway, so if this is not going to break through the high, see this? That's the high from yesterday, this morning. No, yesterday. So if this thing cannot get through there and start making its way up, then yeah, it looks like it's forming a triangle. Now a triangle looks like this. So we got 3 up, 3 down, 3 up, and now we should have another 3 down, another 3 up, and then we make a new low. And triangles always work the 5 ways. So it's A, B, C, D, E. Once it reaches the E here, it will break down. So the height of this, okay, so the height of that will be measured down there, okay? So that doesn't look good. So if I look at putting this down for you, I mean, that literally tells me if, oops, what's going on here now? If we do get this as a triangle, I'm looking at a target of 22,000. Okay, I suppose no one wants to hear that, but 22,000 is on the cards if we cannot break this. If this makes a triangle like this, so you have to watch tomorrow and see what happens. If this makes 5 waves like that and it cannot go higher than what's it, 42 at the moment, unfortunately it's going to go down. Obviously, it just needs to break the low here and then it can do whatever it wants. So anything below 28,000, it could be done and go. But if I measure that height and that height where it leaves the triangle, that leaves us a target of 22,000 before it makes a 3-wave correction for another big wave down, or that is the final wave down and then we go up. But I cannot tell you if that's going to happen because obviously no one knows for sure. I'm just going to tell you what the pattern tells me. The moment it breaks through 46, big smiles everywhere. If it doesn't, and if it this, I mean, this thing can't even make. It's like this triangle here. If this triangle plays out, yeah, sorry, bad news. But that's what I see at the moment. So let's see how this plays out tomorrow. By tomorrow, I'll have more data. So tomorrow, if by tomorrow, if I can see this breaking up there, then yeah, the story might change. And also looking at that level there. So that's crucial. So those are holding, great, but just be careful of 46,000. We need to get through that. 45, 46,000. Without that, we are in trouble. Ethereum still looking all the way down nicely, but it's going actually a bit stronger. If I look at these patterns, guys, I mean, Bitcoin, look at the 3 waves there. Ethereum, Litecoin, I might as well close my eyes and take a guess who it is because they all have exactly the same pattern. There's nothing different. All got up and then there's sideways movement. Ethereum is very close to my arrow here, which is, what's this, 3,100. So let's see what it does when it gets there. Same for Litecoin. It's at our what do you call channel resistance at the moment. So this is my channel. And for me to get bullish on this, I like to see it when it breaks out of a channel like this. Normally, if you just take a photo of this, it normally likes to break out of the channel, comes down, and then carry on. Now that would be awesome. But because it's at the channel resistance now, it could do another low from there again. So I'm not going to advise anything at the moment for Litecoin. Same for Ethereum. ADA, Cardano, same pattern. Doji, I mean, this thing is just, look at that, all 2 days now, just going sideways, nothing happening. Again, like I said, I would love to see a new low, and then I would actually buy something. Same for my, what are we, SHIB. Okay, SHIB is still doing the sideways down here. And let me just check here. Okay, so again, for this one, I would love to see one small dip down here, maybe even, what is this? Oh, 5, whatever that is. Then we should see a high from there, okay? So the moment everything's going sideways, that means it's building up for one little dip quickly and then up. I'd love to see those quick dips because that means it's reversing. Okay, let's get to my favorite, XRP, Ripple. Ripple is still in this channel, nothing has changed, still got A, B, C, which I'm hoping, oops, let me fix that, which I'm hoping for. Now, let's see if I zoom in. Same thing, nothing has changed. So we got up move, AL1, and now we got this going sideways. I was really hoping for a quick dip, just break this low here. If it breaks this low here, guys, I am buying more. I'm definitely buying more at the 85 cents, whatever. That's what I'm doing. I'm not saying you must do it. And then I'm looking for a minimum move up to there where I'll probably take out whatever buy here, half my position I will close there, book my profit. The other half I will put a stop loss below there just to keep it safe. If it keeps going, awesome, I'm smiling. If it breaks down, it's okay. I break even with that, and other half of take profit. So that's how we do it in the game. We put enough in so we can actually book profits there, keep half of it running, and if it goes against us, at least we get out with a break even and some profit. Now, obviously, because I'm so bullish with XRP, I'm really hoping that this is going to be a little quick sideways move down. This drawing tool keeps crashing. Now I forgot what I wanted to say. Anyway, so okay, so ABC, whatever. But I really want this to be a 1, that to be a 2, and then if we could please just get down there, I'll buy some more, and then I want to look for a 3, a 4, and a 5. That is ideal situation, unless, of course, we can't get through 1.3, and then we're going to have another low. All right, so tomorrow, Friday, we'll have to watch and see what this thing does, if it's going to get there and break through or disappoint. All right, so let's see what happens. Good luck.